Morning. It's snowing.
Hello, good morning. We are already on our third day here in Hokkaido, specifically in Sapporo. Look, it's snowing today. Yan. So, ang ganda, no? Mesmerizing talaga to see snow falling from the sky. So, ngayon, today, ang gagawin natin ay magtutour lang tayo sa Sapporo. It's last day of the Ice Festival, February 11. So, susulitin lang natin yung Ice Festival. Actually, we were able to do that yesterday, pero glimpse lang nung every part of the towns participating dun sa Ice Festival. Tsukino, Odori, and also we went to Tsudome. Yung detail lang yung sa Tsudome kasi naglaro tayo. Pero look at that, oh. It's snowing! Nice! Okay, sige, sama na kayo today uli sa ating adventure. Bye! See you later! We are back in Odori. Back in Odori. So much snow accumulated in this area now. Diba? Pero good thing, they were able to clean up the sidewalk. And look at that, it's 10:42 a.m. here in Sapporo. So, tatawid tayo.
I can see Boo.
Boo, where?
The ghost, that one.
Oh,
The Mario.
so, ikutin natin yan. Lahat ng ating mga hindi napuntahan kahapon. So, day 3 and last day of the Sapporo Ice Festival. Ay, ayan, mga cars participating sa ano, or dyan lang talaga sila nakapark. Ito, ay, ang cute nito. So, ito yung papalayo dun sa Sapporo TV Tower kasi mahaba. Punta tayo dun sa malaking, dun sa giant na ano, na ice snow sculpture. Ayun, no, I can see it na from here. Picture kita sa merch mo.
Okay.
Ano nabili?
It's all in
Ano nabili mo?
It's all in the bag.
Wow, jackpot!
Then you got.
Kids can play there.
You go with the star.
Picture spot in Sapporo.
Wait, do.
It's snowing! We are here in Sapporo TV Tower. Odori pala to. Odori Park. Yeah. Waiting for them. Ooh.
It's nice.
Ah, so nice. Look.
Did you see?
Dapat pala sa likod eh.
Oh no. Can't. I
Let
can't
it
see it.
go. Let it go. Be the perfect girl I know. I don't care what they're
Ano,
going to
mag-let it go, let it go
say.
ka ba?
Ha? O dali, let it go na. Anjay. Batoy mo na ng snow.
Nakatingin kita ng snow.
Oh. Uy, malaki yan. Wala na, may snow na eh. O, yan o. Let it go. Let it go. Video mo ako. Let Stop mo muna.
Okay, go!
Go, let it go, with a perfect girl. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the song rage on. It's snowing! Loco! Waiting for the time to change to 11:11 because it's just 1 minute. Look. Look, the snow. Oh, pili tayo ng snow. Pa tayo ng snow. Nasaan na sila? Ang ganda na. Ang bilis matunaw. Oh no! It's raining snow! Snowing! 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 Look! Look! Oh. Oh, potato. I like potato. Oh. Nice. Look at that. That's the huge statue. Saan? Oh! Sabi niya, ako naman! Pingi! 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 Ayan na. Wala tayo sa statue. Si MJ. Bigay mo kaya kay MJ yung wifi, baka mawala yan.
야, 근데 되게 그거랑 비슷하다. 그 내가 너한테 보낸 서일이.
Oo.
早出地域の
俺の一人だけだったらやばい。
調査の結果、
Yay!
細長い穴に施設に埋められていた様子で、
Happy birthday, dear Toke-chan! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, mommy.
あ
告知してくれるファンの皆さんもね、きっとステージを見て喜んでるかなと思いますんで、そんなトケちゃん、ね、これからも活躍を期待します。今日はこの後、札幌時計台、ここからですね、歩いてです。
ano yan? Ano?
会禅提供协助拍照，欢迎随时向他们咨询。
Ano to?
大通公园周边为禁止停车和临时停车区域。
Ang laki oh, tingnan mo oh. Ang ganda. Ang massive. Kung gusto nyo mag-wiwi, for sure yung mga ganyan no, establishment meron yan. Tatawid ka lang. Or teka, hanapin ko. La, la, la. Ang ganda.
Laki, no?
Picture tayo.
Sabi ko lang to.
Ah, so massive. How can they feel?
Oh,
Ano yung pila? Ano yan?
kainan.
That must be good. Haba ng pila eh.
Donkey chicken.
Ah, chicken. Nuggets? Nako.
Ano? Kala ko ba waterproof yung gloves yan? Kawamatsu.
Ice. Kawamatsu. Ano yun? Nakita na ba natin sa Poro ano, sa Poro Town? May temple, ano ba dito? Wala. Nice. Oh. Massive the show. Nice. Careful ha. So we are back again in Tanuki Koji, starting from dome number 7. Yan. So what? We're back. We're back, and this is where exactly Daddy said that we will come back here during the winter festival, and we're back with MJ pa din.
Yeah, no kuya pa din. No kuya.
Ay, so ni Kuya eh. There. Workaholic agad. Good yun. Okay. So, tara. Pasyal tayo. Oh, ayan. Oh. Ito yung Hotel Dormy Inn na sinasabi ni Mami. Ano? Sushi. Mami. Ah, dito yung pila sa loob. Ah, this Ichiran. Yan. Hello. Hello. It's raining or it's snowing. Snowing. And we're heading back to Odori for the illumination. This is the last night of the ice festival. So we want to make sure we get the most out of what we can see. However, ilan na lang tayo natira? From 9 to hindi na nila kinaya ng powers nila. So kami na lang ni Daddy RC ang babalik sa Odori Park to see the ice sculpture. Hopefully, we still have enough energy to see the ice sculpture. Because the other one is the one in Odori snow sculptures, diba? So, we'll go to Susukino to see the ice sculptures. Okay? So, sama kayo ulit. Tara!
は折り重なり、天才とも世界が広がっていきます。
Okay, dito na.
それはまるで白い馬に命が吹き込まれていくかのように、皆様を雪像が作り出す新たな物語へと誘います。そして世界は緊迫の瞬間へ。
Oh!
Grabe.
Wisit ka talaga.
Hindi ka takot?
Ito pa pala.
Kosa. That's it. May,
方向を守ってお進みください。
hello kayo.
Hello!
Hello vlog.
Hello, vlog.
Meron din.
Alam mo, buti umulan. Nawala yung dulas. Kanina madulas na dito. Buti nag-snow.
Akala ko doon yung tutunog. Ito pala yung tumutunog eh.
Feeling ko wala yan.
Feeling ko wala yun.
Alam nung mga malalaman mo eh.
Wala yan, mukhang wala yan. Akala ko ulit ang motor. Hello, donkey.
Donkey. What?
Tapping of Aizu Tsurugajo show starts right now. 以上をもちまして、